Hey guys, it's Paula, customer service coordinator from Permagreen. Let me show you something awesome. We now have online ordering. Go to our website, permagreen.com. You will see a tab up top for buy parts. Make sure you go in the little person icon there and sign up for an account. Once you do, you can click on any one of these boxes here, find the associated parts, or you can use the search bar. What are you looking for? A belt. Once you find the belt that you're looking for, click on it. Make sure below the product, you always verify the description. We want to make sure you get the right part the first time. Add it to the cart. Boom. Ships same day, over $50, ships free, and it's our regular UPS shipping time. 2 to 4 days, depending on where you're at. And if you need anything, give us a call, 1-800-346-2001. Thanks, guys.